Alright, hello again everyone. For this Clickbank affiliate marketing tutorial or just plain tutorial video for those that are going to be marketing, I'm going to be using my channel as an example. Now as you can currently see, I have just a few videos up. The channel is young and new. We're at 21 subscribers right now, but the next time you come back to my channel, you're going to see changes. You're going to see a increase in subscription. I'm positive of that. Why? I have the confidence. I have the mindset that my channel is going to grow because I am going to be putting in the effort. Now, for those who don't know by now, those who are up and coming, what is Clickbank? Clickbank is an online marketplace where you can basically become a vendor and affiliate. The vendors sell their digital products, and the affiliates, the thousands of affiliates that are on Clickbank via membership, they can, select that digital product and promote it, and they get a cut of commission. Now, it's easier said than done. There's going to be more affiliates who are better at marketing, SEO, search engine optimization, and all these type of things that are going to get a better edge than you, especially if they have enough money to advertise. So if you're going to be going the route of just promoting your product using social media, YouTube being possibly the best source of free promotion in the world, then you have to ensure that what you do stands out and you have to know what to do. Furthermore, you cannot under any circumstance be discouraged, and you can't let a day pass by in which you're not thinking and penciling out how to essentially get out your content in a form that is going to attract viewers. I mean, it's not simple what's going on out in the world. A 9-to-5 job ain't cutting it. You need an extra source of income. So you're going to have to persevere. You're going to have to push. You're going to have to put in the effort. You're going to have to choose products that are, in demand, but at the same time, give you that extra piece of edge in terms of how you promote it that you can get a commission. Now, everybody want them commission charts on Clickbank to look like this. They want it to be showing money coming in, but guess what? You're going to have to put in some work, while at the same time pacing yourself and accept the fact that there's going to be a period of time in which you won't see any sales come through. I'm just being honest. But if you keep at it and persevere and you diversify your channel. Now, for those who are going to be marketing, up and coming and marketing their YouTube channel as what they see me doing, notice I don't have just one specific set of things on my channel. I have my Forex aspect. I have the digital products that I'm marketing. And I also give out tips and tutorials and so on. So you have to diversify it. Later on, you're going to be seeing me at a restaurant enjoying a decent meal with my church family. I mean, you have to diversify it. You can't have your channel being one directional. So everything about your channel has to basically touch every single demographic, every single social standing in society, from mothers, fathers, the working class, those that are young in age, college students. That way you can grab something that attracts everyone. So that's what you need to do when you're affiliate marketing and Clickbank. Now, the blogging, if you're not good at blogging, the best way to go about it is video marketing. You are engaging your audience, but you have to know how to tag those videos. Your content has to stand out, and you essentially have to just keep on pushing. And you have to pace yourself, as I mentioned. Pace yourself. Don't become discouraged. You want success, right? If you want success, you have to push through. Now, I'm going to be giving you guys tips. I'm going to give you guys tutorials, advice. I've been with Clickbank since 2011. I've made sales. I came off of Clickbank around 2016 when I was focusing more on my Forex trading. And then after that, I decided, hey, it's time to jump back onto this niche because I've seen success with it in the past. Great success. And I'm going to be giving you guys all of the knowledge that I've gathered throughout the years so that it can assist you. So what you're going to essentially see is this small channel grow. And you're going to be able to replicate what I'm doing on this small channel. And it's going to assist you. So hit that subscribe button. Watch out. Many good things are coming from this channel. Not only from the Forex trading, but also the marketing aspect and the lifestyle part. So that's what you need to do as an affiliate with Clickbank or any other affiliate programs that out there. You have to get cracking, get moving. If you sit around, post one link on your Facebook page and think that people are just going to click it and you're going to get a sale, you have a next guest coming. So I'm being as brutally honest as possible. I hope this little video assisted you guys. So stay tuned. A lot more is on the way. Peace out.